Welcome. In this video, I want you to declare that it's your miracle day.
Put your hope in God, who richly provides us with everything for our enjoyment. 1 Timothy 6:17. Play this frequency every day, before you sleep and when you wake up. You will be showered with financial blessings every time you listen to this 258 Hz frequency. These affirmations will reach you through sound, provided to you by your guardian angel. My world is gold and riches. I can see my life of riches. In the universe there is enough wealth for everyone. I decide to share abundance with the world. I have the key to abundance. My world is creative and fun. I see myself reflected in the face of the universe. I appreciate this abundance to share. My universe is full of light. I have creativity for business. I ask for big things and I receive the best. The creative process of the universe has begun. I always receive from the universe. My path is full of opportunities. I was born to succeed. I enjoy the best of this life. I visualize and feel my universe of riches galore. I have creative ideas. I visualize and feel my desires. My desires are full of God's creative substance. Money and riches are my gift. I focus on my goal and miracles happen. The universe is on the move to fulfill my dreams. I have a home in the universe. I am a creator of wealth. The power is in me. I have the power to create my own world. My treasures are everywhere. The gold in my life increases. I deserve a life in abundance. I see myself in prosperity. The universe and my abundance are in the hand of God. I am grateful for the life of abundance. My world is in tune with the universe. The cornerstone of my success is my faith. The house of my dreams has arrived. I have the power to create wealth. Thank you for the abundance that I enjoy. Wealth and gold are in my life. I walk safely in abundance. I build a permanent world of prosperity and abundance. In the hand of God a new conscience is born. I achieve everything I set out to do. My path is abundantly sown by my hands. Multiplication manifests in everything. I am grateful for the abundance I have to share. My creation is born from the divine substance. Abundance is my creation that manifests itself in everything. I grow and increase. I am happy, I have love and money to share. I am born to a new life of abundance. My dreams are manifesting because I persevere in them. Within me there are riches which can now manifest themselves. I am a magnet for money and wealth. Today, I let my light shine. I am successful in everything I do. I enthusiastically welcome and accept unlimited abundance. The presence of joy in my heart releases a lot of good things in my life. I have abundance to share and to spare. I have faith that I am being guided in a way that gives amazing results. I fill my mind with the idea of abundance, and abundance manifests in all my affairs. Abundance surrounds me. Today I can claim my part. Abundance is limited only by my unconscious. My prosperity thoughts create my world full of abundance. All that I have given always comes back to me in many ways. My life is filled with an abundance of goods. With God's guidance, my life is full of success. I release all feelings of limitation and joyfully accept the blessings of love, wealth and abundance. Today is full of opportunities and I open my heart to receive them. Money flows freely and abundantly in my life. The abundance is mine, it belongs to me. I give thanks for the limitless flow of good things in my life. Wonderful things happen to me because I live with an attitude of gratitude. Gratitude moves me to the manifestation of abundance in all facets of my life. Wealth is my divine inheritance. I am the source of my abundance. I am the image and model of abundance for myself and for others. I live in an abundant universe. I always have everything I need. I can create money and abundance through joy, vitality and self-love. I am becoming more magnetic to money, prosperity and abundance. My beliefs create my reality. I believe in my unlimited prosperity. I deserve abundance. Money flows in my life. I am prosperous, an inexhaustible stream of wealth flows in me. My energy is open and flowing in all areas of my life. I always have more money than I need. I allow myself to have more than I ever dreamed of. I speak of success and prosperity. My words uplift and inspire others. I live an abundant life, wealth came to stay in my life. Everything is perfect in my universe. The universe is safe, abundant and pleasant. I accept prosperity and abundance in my life. I trust that everything comes at the perfect time and in the perfect way. I surrender to my highest good. I am linked to the unlimited abundance of the universe. Money and abundance flow freely to me. I have a wealth of valuable skills and talents. I invite the good and allow it into my life. I am attentive to my opportunities and use them well. I create what I want easily and effortlessly. I know what my value is. I honor my value. All the money I spend enriches society and comes back to me multiplied. All the money I spend and earn brings me joy. I am open to receiving. I have abundance in every area of my life. My money is a source of good for me and for others. My savings act like a magnet to attract more money. I am financially independent and free. All my money is energy awaiting my mandate to create good things in my life. I choose to live an abundant life. My financial income is unlimited. I am rich in my mind and I manifest it now. I have a great and constant flow of financial resources. They are reliable and permanent. I trust that the universal spirit of prosperity will provide me with riches now. I give thanks for the rapid and substantial increase in my financial income now. I am surrounded by divine substance and this divine substance now manifests for me. I know that my own will come to me, and I rest in trust. I have a wonderful job, with a wonderful salary. Life is easy, I have an abundance of everything I need. I have unlimited abundance. This is a rich universe and there is much for all of us. I now live in a rich and loving universe. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I move forward with the hope that the best is yet to come in my life. I expect to receive an abundant supply of money. My greatest good comes to me now. I always have more than enough money to meet my needs. Unexpected money just falls into my hands. God is my source of food and all material and spiritual substance. I forgive any and all debts that I owed, therefore my thoughts are now fully in abundance. I only attract lucrative, pleasant and beneficial circumstances for myself and those around me. I can receive money just by thinking of luxury and wealth. I will always have more than enough money. My wallet is full of money from everywhere. I am worthy to receive abundance. I have wealth in every area of my life. I do whatever it takes to establish a positive flow of money in my life. My income increases if I am working, sleeping or playing. I'm making lots and lots of money. I always have more than enough money to pay my bills. I am prosperous, money flows to me from many sources. I have more than enough money to satisfy all my needs and wants. I can make money fast, easily and have fun. Money always supplies me with everything I need. Money flows to me easily in avalanches of abundance. Type I am wealthy if you agree. Click here to watch this important message.